Hello, hi. What's up, people? By the way, let me ask you one thing. Have you ever seen all those K-pop idols wearing such an amazing and cool outfits and you really want to get them, but obviously you can't find them online, or even if you do, they are like Louis Vuitton or Balenciaga and all those like big brands, and even if you try to find like a dupe of it, it's gonna cost you too much. And they look so effortlessly awesome in everything. अगर वो ऐसे sweatpants भी पहन लेना, they wanna look super awesome because they are stylish, but ठीक है. But I really wanna get one. One day I was watching Run BTS and I saw Jin's outfit. Like, it was very simple. He was just wearing a shirt and a pant. Like, you know what? I'm gonna show you just a clip.
떨어지는 거다. 헐! 헐! 태영아 미안하다, 태영아.
야, 이거 뭐야? 태형이 없는 거야?
자, 태영이 형
이렇게 뺏는다고?
하나, 둘, 셋.
다시 말자. 아, 근데 재현 씨. 와, 미쳤다 이거 진짜. 와. 가운데 벨트 가운데. 버클. 자.
하다 보니까 재밌다.
날개 달아줘야 되나? 오케이, 저 하겠습니다.
Okay, so that shirt with that clouds printed on his back, it looks good, right? और वो कितना स्मार्ट लग रहा था. मेरे को भी चाहिए था. I searched online. ठीक है, अब इंडिया में तो मिला नहीं. इंटरनेशनली कुछ लोग they were selling it, but बहुत महंगा था. It was like $38 or something. तो obviously I can't pay that much for a single shirt. So I decided, you know what? I realized I can paint it. These are just clouds, okay? I can paint that. So मैंने मम्मी को बोला, एक मुझे ना शर्ट चाहिए ब्लू कलर की, और मेरी मम्मी ने ना मेरे को पापा की पुरानी एक ब्लू शर्ट दी एंड इट वाज लाइक सुपर परफेक्ट. सो आई डिसाइडेड मैं वैसे ही क्लाउड्स ना उसमें पेंट करने वाली हूँ. और मैंने सर्च भी किया. आई डिड गॉट द एक्चुअल पिक्चर जो जिनके शर्ट में वो क्लाउड्स था ना, बट पता नहीं, आई वाज नॉट फीलिंग इट. मेरे को लग रहा था थोड़ा और कुछ डिफरेंट होना चाहिए. सो आई फाउंड आउट समथिंग, और फिर उसके बाद में मैंने दूसरे क्लाउड्स मैंने डिसाइड किया टू पेंट. Obviously I got a picture from the Pinterest, मतलब Pinterest जिंदाबाद. तो वहाँ से मैंने एक अच्छे क्लाउड्स की फ़ोटो निकाली and it looked around my home. Obviously I'm an art student, I'm working in an art field. I'm not a student, I'm actually professionally working as a designer. So I had everything in my home. I had fabric paints, I had like medium, I had brushes, I had everything. So मैंने किया like clouds paint. So you can see the video, you can also fast forward it, क्योंकि वो पूरा पेंटिंग प्रोसेस रहेगा इफ़ यू आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. एंड देन आई एम गोना शो यू द रिजल्ट्स. So guys, this was the shirt. I think you could also try something जो आपके पॉकेट पे भारी ना पड़े. Just use your creativity. पुरानी शर्ट लो, पेन से पेंट कर डालो, and I'm sure it's gonna look good. मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के सामने भी पहना था and they loved it. So that's how I recreated Jin's की Run BTS वाली t-shirts. This is one. Bye. See you again next time. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया तो yes, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, फॉलो करो. I'm gonna put my Instagram link on my description. So do check out, do follow me. Do wait for the more content from me.